10-minute HIIT workout for beginners. What is the most efficient exercise regimen that gets you most results in the shortest amount of time? I am talking about an exercise regimen that helps you burn fat quicker and flatten your stomach. Watch now to learn how to utilize it for your benefit, especially as a beginner. According to a study published by the Journal of Obesity in 2011, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is the most effective way to burn fat, especially around the abdomen. Compared to other types of workouts, it is also more efficient because you get the same results with shorter exercise sessions. Plus, you can continue to burn more calories for hours after the workout. With all the proven benefits of HIIT for weight loss and overall health, it's easy to get too excited to start and try the first workout you find. But because of its intense nature, you might end up overdoing it. Not only will that discourage you from continuing to exercise, but it will also put you at risk of injury. To approach HIIT exercises correctly, start with short beginner sessions and move up in duration and intensity, only when you're sure your body is ready. If you're a beginner looking to shape up through some short but intense exercise sessions, here's a 10-minute HIIT workout for you. For this workout, you'll need a mat and a sturdy chair. When you're ready, do the following exercises one after the other. Then take a 30-second rest before doing the series all over again from the beginning, and then you're done. This workout was designed to last 10 minutes, including the rest period. But feel free to pause and catch your breath at any time if you need to catch your breath. Forward lunges. Stand with your feet planted firmly on the ground and your hands at your waist. Take a giant step forward with your right leg and lower your body so that your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Lift your body and step back to return to your starting position. Repeat this movement with the right leg 15 times before doing the same with the left side. Incline push-ups. Take your chair and make sure it's backed up against a wall to keep it from moving. Place your hands at the edge of the seat around shoulder width apart. Kick both legs back so your body is straightened out like an inclined plank. Clip your elbows close to your sides and slowly bend down to lower your body. Go as low as you can before slowly pushing yourself back up. Repeat 10 times. Dead bug. On your mat, lie on your back with your arms straightened out perpendicular to the floor. Lift your legs from the mat and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Slowly lower and straighten your right leg out while lowering your left arm straight back above you. Take your right leg and left arm back to the starting position. Do the same with your left leg and right arm. Keep alternating between the two sides until you have completed 20 reps, or 10 reps per side. Triceps dips. Sit on your chair and hold on to the edge. Slide your buttocks off the chair and keep your feet planted firmly on the ground in front of you. Slowly bend your elbows to lower your butt towards the ground. Lift yourself back up by straightening your elbows. Repeat 10 times. Plank shoulder taps. Position yourself in a high plank where your palms are flat on the mat and your elbows are straightened out. While keeping your entire body straight and stable, lift your left hand off the mat to touch your right shoulder. Place your hand back and pause for 2 seconds before doing the same on the other side. Keep alternating between both sides until you have done 30 reps or 15 per side. A short workout is something you can find time for daily, no matter how busy you are. Try doing this 10-minute HIIT workout for beginners every day for 6 days a week. Soon, you'll observe changes to your body. Not only will you burn fat more quickly compared to any other exercise you might try, but you will also feel healthier and more energetic thanks to the perfect combination of strength training and cardio. When you feel that this beginner's workout is no longer a challenge, you're ready to move up to something more intense. Following our study references we used to create this video and exercise regimen. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.